Hi everyone! Today we're diving deep into the heart of Zimbabwe's current political drama, where the stakes are high and the tension is palpable. I'm here to break down a complex situation that has the potential to reshape Zimbabwe's future. Let's get started. Picture this: Zimbabwe, a country with a rich history and complex political landscape. At the center, we have President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who ascended to power promising a new era after the long rule of Robert Mugabe. But now, there's a twist in the tale. Allegations have surfaced that Mnangagwa might be involved in a US $40 million election funding scandal, raising eyebrows not just within Zimbabwe, but internationally as well. The leaked audios that brought this to light have sparked a fierce battle within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. Mnangagwa's alleged plan? To extend his presidency till 2030, even though the constitution says his term should end in 2028. How does he plan to do it? By amending the constitution to deharmonize elections, which would delay the presidential election while keeping the parliamentary elections on schedule. But there's a formidable opponent in his path, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Remember him? The man who, according to reports, snubbed Mnangagwa upon his return from an international trip, a move seen as a clear sign of internal discord. Chiwenga, with ambitions of his own to lead the country, represents a significant challenge to Mnangagwa's plans. As you can imagine, this power struggle is not just about two men. It's about the future of Zimbabwe. It's about democracy, governance, and how leaders manipulate systems to cling to power. The implications of this battle could be enormous, affecting everything from international relations to the daily lives of Zimbabweans. So, what's next for Zimbabwe? With both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga holding substantial influence within the ruling party and the military, the outcome of this political tussle remains uncertain. But one thing is clear: the road to 2028 will be fraught with political maneuvers and legal battles that will keep everyone on their toes. That's it for today. This story is still developing, and I'll be here to keep you updated with clear, concise, and engaging content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into global political dynamics. Until next time, keep questioning and stay informed.